About 70% of the earth is covered with water. Water appears to be everywhere and comes in different forms. Water sustains nature's beauty. Everyone and everything needs water. Just like a beautiful maiden Dimma needs water and had to go to the very core of nature to get water in its natural purest form from Ozzi-Ebonyi waterfall in Umuosigide, Oboletiti, Udene local government area of Enugu State, Nigeria. Let's follow her on this natural experience. This is the source of the Ebonyi River with dozens of waterfalls around with clean, sparkling water. It is from this river that Ebonyi State derives its name. Let's follow Dimma and experience nature.
There is water everywhere. Bonsuka is blessed with special water. As you can see, I cannot resist fetching it.